Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow bananas. Now, bananas are one of my favorite fruits, and they're kind of hard to grow in the Northwest because they need a long season. They can't freeze at all. But I know a lot of people that grow them in greenhouses that actually get them to produce fruit. They're a beautiful foliage plant as well. Now, a banana plant is a beautiful plant. It looks a lot like a canna lily. It has big leaves in all different shades, and it'll just get bigger and bigger and bigger, and eventually it takes anywhere from 5 to 10 years, even quicker if you live in a warm climate, and then it'll produce bananas. So the trick with the banana plant is never let it freeze at all. It cannot get too cold. And at the same time, sometimes if you live in a really hot climate, because it's more of a tropical kind of a jungle plant, it can get sunburned as well. So it likes jungle type situations. So it doesn't want to grow well in the desert. You have to add a lot of water and give it a little bit of shade. Whereas if you live on the coastline of California, for example, you can grow it really well right in the hot, full sun. And the bottom leaves will die off as the taller leaves grow, and it'll get to be a really big plant over the years. But you have to be patient to get the bananas. And you can start it by seed or by the plant itself. But it's a great plant to grow whether you live in a warm or a cold climate.